Hello guys, today I'm gonna discuss the problem given for the homework 3 in the subject CM5400. The problem which I've got is 5.20, in which it's a first order reaction with heat of reaction of minus 25,000 calorie per mole in aqueous solution of in adiabatic CSTR with the initial temperature 300 Kelvin and the initial mole concentration is 2 moles per liter, and rate constant is 2 minute is 2 per minute inverse at 300 Kelvin, and the activation energy is 30,000 calorie per mole. So if I was asked to plot x versus time, conversion versus time, and temperature versus time, and conversion versus temperature for initial temperatures varying in 10 Kelvin increments starting from 280 Kelvin with the initial conversions of x is equal to 0 and 1, and I was asked to do calculations for tau is equal to 0.3 minutes, tau is equal to 1.5 minutes, and tau is equal to 3 minutes. So I've considered a first order reaction with the given heat of reaction. The initial temperature is 300 Kelvin, and so with all the given data, and we know the formula K is equal to K naught exponential activation energy by universal gas constant into time into temperature. So I was able to calculate K naught from the given data, which is 1.369 at 10 to the power of 22 per minute. So since I've considered, since the reaction is in adiabatic CSTR, T minus T naught is equal to heat of reaction, change in heat of reaction, delta HR, and rho Cp Ca naught by into Ca naught minus Ca. So we can calculate the temperature, maximum temperature. So for initial temperature of 300 Kelvin, the maximum temperature which will be obtained in the reaction is 350 Kelvin. For T naught is equal to 290 Kelvin, it will be 340, and for 280 Kelvin, it will be 330 Kelvin, T max. So for the initial temperatures starting at 280 Kelvin, I've calculated the conversion. I've calculated the K values, which change according to the conversions and the temperature. So with that, with the K value and X available, I could calculate the tau residence time. So based on this data, for different initial temperatures, I've calculated X in terms of X versus residence time and plotted it in a graph. So you can, for different initial temperatures, 300 Kelvin, 280 Kelvin, and 290 Kelvin. So the T versus temperature versus residence time graph is also plotted for different initial temperatures. And finally, conversion versus temperature plot for different initial temperatures. Then I was given different residence time, 0.3. For 0.3, the T maximum is equal to 294.86 Kelvin. So based on, I had generated this table with increasing conversion. the temperature in the reactor also changes, and with the available data for different residence times, I've calculated the temperatures. Thank you.